a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
I just discovered a Merry Christmas AI video generator that lets you send personalized Christmas wishes to friends and loved ones without recording any video. You can use your own face and voice, create festive messages in seconds, and turn them into beautiful Christmas videos automatically. No camera, no microphone setup, no editing stress. In this video, I will show you exactly how it works and how you can create your own personalized Merry Christmas videos step by step. Before we get into the tutorial, let us take a look at some previews so you can see what is possible.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everyone. I hope you all have a beautiful time with your families. Lots of love, best wishes, and blessings to yours.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays, everyone. I hope you all have a beautiful time with your families. Lots of love, best wishes, and blessings to yours.
As you can see from some of the previews, you can also generate characters that sing popular Christmas songs. With this feature, you can take a simple still photo and turn it into a character that sings and speaks naturally. Once your video is ready, you can easily share it across all your social media accounts and send it directly to friends and loved ones. Now, let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. Head over to the website you see on my screen. I have left a direct link in the video description to make it easy for you to access. Once you are on the site, sign up for free using your email address. After completing the sign up, you will be given 3 free trials that you can use to generate personalized Christmas videos right away. For this first demonstration, let me create a Merry Christmas message for you, my amazing subscribers and viewers. Your support has been incredible, and I truly appreciate every single one of you for being part of this journey. First, I will upload my photo avatar. Once that is done, the next step is to select a template. As you can see here, there is a singing template and a blessing template. Let us preview them briefly so you can see the difference.
Dear friends, your Christmas gift this year is me. That's right, another year of friendship. Your membership has been renewed. Dear friends, your Christmas gift this year.
For this first demonstration, I will go with one of the blessing templates. After selecting the template, choose your gender. In my case, I will select male. Next, upload your audio. This audio is the message you want to share with your friends, family, or loved ones. The next step is optional. Here, you can add a prompt to influence how you want the final video to turn out, such as the tone or style of delivery. I will leave this part as it is for now. After that, click on the small Edit button. This is where you choose your preferred video resolution and duration. For this example, I will select 1080p resolution and a 10-second video length. Once everything is set, simply click the Generate button. In a few minutes, your video will be ready. Let us preview the result. Merry Christmas to my amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you for your constant support. I wish you joy, peace, and success this season. What do you think about the output? As you can see, this Merry Christmas AI video generator is absolutely impressive. The result looks clean, natural, and festive, making it a powerful way to send personalized Christmas messages that truly stand out. Now, let us create a singing Merry Christmas message. I will upload the same image I used in the previous demonstration. After that, I will select the music option instead of the blessing template. Just like before, I will go with a male voice. Next is the audio section. Here, you can upload your own song, and you are allowed to upload audio of up to 600 seconds. As you can see, this step is optional, so for this example, I will simply use the default sound provided. With everything set and ready, click the Generate button. In just a few seconds, our video will be ready. Let us preview the result.
Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
This is really good, right? With the free trial, you can create up to 3 videos to test out all the features. However, if you want to generate more videos, the tool offers affordable subscription plans. You can also use the videos for commercial purposes, which makes it even more valuable. Let me know what you think about this tool, and I will see you in the next video.